List of 50 everyday common sentences that can be used while learning. General learning phrases. 1. Can you explain this again? 2. I don't understand this part. 3. Could you give me an example? 4. How does this work? 5. What does this word mean? 6. Could you repeat that, please? 7. I need more time to practice. 8. What is the correct answer? 9. Is this the right way to do it? 10. How do I improve in this area? Asking for help. 11. Can you help me with this problem? 12. What's the best way to learn this? 13. Am I doing this correctly? 14. Can you guide me through this step? 15. Where can I find more resources? 16. Could you clarify this concept? 17. Why is this important to know? 18. Can you suggest better methods to study? 19. What should I focus on first? 20. How do I apply this in real life? Expressing difficulty. 21. I'm finding this really hard. 22. I keep making the same mistake. 23. This is very confusing. 24. I'm struggling to understand this. 25. I need to review this topic again. 26. I feel stuck on this question. 27. I don't remember how to solve this. 28. I can't seem to focus today. 29. This feels overwhelming. 30. Can you simplify this for me? Positive learning progress. 31. I finally got it. 32. This makes sense now. 33. I've improved a lot in this area. 34. I understand it better than before. 35. I can solve this on my own now. 36. I learned something new today. 37. Practice is really helping. 38. I'm starting to enjoy this subject. 39. My confidence is growing. 40. I'm making steady progress. Discussing strategies. 41. What's the best way to memorize this? 42. Should I focus on theory or practice? 43. Is there an easier way to learn this? 44. Can I use flashcards for this topic? 45. How do I manage my time better? 46. What's the most important thing to study? 47. Should I take more notes? 48. Can I use technology to assist my learning? 49. How do I test my understanding? 50. What's the next step after this?